Brittany! There's only one thing to do. 3 words for you. I love you. Brittany! Brittany! I love you!
Look at Brooke's grandma made me a hat.
Look at it. My little grandma made it. Look at this. She's so cute. Brittany, we just watched a shitty movie. Well, I don't even know what it was called.
It was called The Descent, and it's
The
sweet.
Descent. No, it's not sweet. I wasted an hour and a half of my life, and someone's being the admiral tonight, not me. We just wanted to tell you that we love you, and we really want Adam Drews to put the picture of him where he's hot and tan.
No, she does. That wasn't me.
Okay, I do, because I think he needs to represent himself well.
Brittany! Guess what? Constanza. The summer song.
Love you, Brittany. Bye!